So welcome back to the video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an edit, if it will actually load, and here it is somewhere, like this.
You girls are awesome. We horrible. I hate you. Kill yourselves. Girl power. Sisters before mistakes.
These transitions like I'd even make. So it's really easy. So first you want to search up pictures or photos of the person you want to make an edit of and save it. So how you save it is, well, you hold on to the picture and that will pop up. But yeah, I already saved that. So then you want to head over to Perfect Video, which you will be needing. And if you want to get the watermark off, then you can use InShot, which I'll show you how to do. So you want to go to Perfect Video. You want to press plus, and you want to add all the pictures that you have. Wait. And I just made these pictures, like this video is made by stuff, and then I'll fix this bit out. And see, that's what happens. We'll cancel, and then you can use transitions like these. So I'm gonna do like this. It's quite long, so you just double tap, press duration, and you can put back and forward. But it's a bit long, so and yeah, and it's gonna, well, you can basically change the duration. No. And yeah, so it's like, and it's like that. So then you can basically just adjust it, and it will turn out like this. So that looks really good. And then you just want to basically make it 1 second. You can do like 1.1 or something, but 1 second is the best way to do it. You can just change these. So loads of transitions, you don't even need to make them. And yeah, so that's basically what I'm going to do. Duration. Now I'm gonna change. I'm gonna change the transition again. There are plenty, so don't even worry. And you can use these normal ones, but they're not really worthy for like a edit. And yeah, so that's basically what I made it. I made it a bit slower because I just looked at the music that I'm about to use. So now you want to just export it, and this is how mine looks like. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. You want to export it, you want to press save. I'm just going to press the highest resolution because I want mine to look good, you know what I'm saying? Take your time. I'm being sarcastic, by the way. And yeah. And sorry about that. And now you want to just go onto InShot and you want to select the video. You want to press video, then you want to select the actual video. And then you want to go onto Canvas. I'm just going to press Musical.ly because I'm posting this to Musical.ly. You want to press Canvas again. You want to zoom it out so you don't basically see the writing. And just make sure it looks good and looks fine. Not too zoomed in. And yeah, it does. So yeah, and after you just want to save that. It shouldn't take too long because it's like what, a 12-second video. And yeah, so that's basically it. I'll show you the ending product after this clip. But yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment down below, and subscribe to become part of the #BlessFam.
Make it worth my while. Give it to me now.